So I'm doing a really similar conversion to last time. It's just that this time I'm going to carbons instead of hydrogens. You might see a shortcut based on the last problem, and it's okay if you want to do that shortcut this time. Just make sure that you can solve this problem if it didn't have another problem just before it that was so similar. So we're going to take 6.5 times 10 to the 30th atoms of C. We're going to turn it into, there's atoms of C. We're going to go from, oh, sorry, I didn't write what we were going to, grams of CH4. That's what we need to know. This is the only problem number I have. I'm going to go from atoms of C to moles of C. It's really the only thing you can go to. And drop that unit down again, moles of C. This is where I've got my choice. I can go a few places. I could take it into grams, but it's not asking for grams of C. It's asking for of CH4. So this is also the point that I can switch who I'm talking about. So moles to moles, only place you can switch who you're talking about. Drop my unit back down, moles of CH4. And then up here, this is grams of CH4. .5 e to the 30th. Oops, sorry. I was getting ahead of myself. It's okay if you do that. In 1 mole, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. In this case, this was the large thing. The CH4 is large. And this is what has a subscript there. So that's 4. And then this is from the periodic chart. We already calculated this previously. 6.05. Now we can pull out that calculator. Now, if you'll notice, I actually was rushing through that and I made an error. Check it out right here. I was thinking about the problem I had just worked, right? So we're going to change that. So this is moles of C. Now that's the correct relationship because I'm looking at this one that has an understood 1. Shoo! So I've got this number in here. I'm going to look across the top. I can put in the times 1, so times 1 times 1. Times 16.05, don't have to put the 1s in though. Divided by 6.022 e to the 23rd. And if you already had this in your calculator, you might have just wanted to bring that whole equation down again with the, in my case, it's the entry key, the second entry key. It'll bring the whole equation down that you just used. And so the answer to that one is 199892062. That's a lot of numbers. Notice that I only have 2 sig figs. So this needs to only have 2 sig figs. This is going to round up. So that's going to round up to 20. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grams of CH4. So to give it that sig fig notation, I need it to be 2.0 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3. Oops, I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.